Hi guys, you asked for it, now you're getting it. Yami's doing a cooking video. So I am making, wait till you see this, I'll put the picture in. Look at this. Strawberry, white, lasagna. Yeah, so I'm making that. So you guys want to join me? And Boo will be our taste tester. So let's get it going. First thing I'm doing is a family size pack of Oreos, white Oreos, or golden Oreos. You need to crash up the whole bag in your food processor. So I put half in. Yep, everything is like sand now. This would be good if you're making a beachy cake and you want to use sand. Golden Oreos looks just like it. Look at it. It's got very much sand texture to it. Yeah, it looks like everything broke up on it. Next time, do it in batches, maybe half and half. Well, we just finished dinner and now Boo's doing dishes. He says, I started doing dishes. He's like, do you want me to finish this? I'm like, sure, if you want.
That's bean dip.
What are you washing there? No. Oh, from the air fryer. Oh.
Yeah, you didn't say.
Hey, I said if you want.
You knew what you were doing. You set me up. You set me up.
I didn't set him up.
That's some bean dip.
No.
Hey, it's Boo. Well, if you want to see what I do during the day, here it is. That's what I do. Looks like fun, doesn't it? Nope. Bye.
Alright, so our first step is to cut up strawberries, 32 ounces. I guesstimate it. That looks good. But it tells me to take my Jello, the small box. It's strawberry. I gotta sprinkle this over top of the strawberries. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. And it's in a saucepan, so that means I gotta stir them up and cook them up a little bit. Ooh, you can really smell the strawberry. Well, let me turn it on in just a minute. Just gonna stir them up a little bit.
Turn it over.
Try to coat up all the strawberries. Kind of all together. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn that down low, and then it says I need a rubber spatula. It's got a hole in it. Okay, rubber spatula. I got a spoon too. It doesn't matter, I don't think. Evenly coat the berries. Okay, heat over medium-low heat for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring gently with the spatula. Heat just until the gelatin is completely dissolved in the strawberry juice. Do not cook them too long. The strawberries will become mushy. We don't want mushy strawberries. So I got it on medium-low, and we'll just let it do its thing. Oh, 2 minutes are up.
You're tight.
Okay, you can see it's kind of thickened up a little bit, so we're going to turn this off.
Yeah.
the timer, and we're going to set this to the side. Because now we're going to go ahead and do the crust, which you need a 13 by 9 pan.
Okay.
Alright, so now that I melted a stick of butter, and there's my Oreo cookies, the whole family pack. We're going to pour the butter in. Alright, and now we're just going to mix this all up and get it all wet. Okay, so they say to serve or to save a quarter of this, so let me see. That should be about right. Yeah, we'll give that a try. I'll spread this out. Alright, spread more out. Got a lot going on this weekend. We're having a community garage sale or yard sale. So we're going to be outside all day tomorrow trying to sell some of our stuff that we have. And then I'm learning to say goodbye to stuff. You know, sometimes you just get too much junk and you're like, something's got to go. And that's not to the bathroom, though. Alright. Just spread it in there. I'm trying to get it as even as possible. That should do it. Now we're going to put this in the refrigerator. Alright, so I put 3 cups of heavy whipping cream in here. Put a teaspoon of vanilla. And then I'm going to beat it for a little bit. We want soft peaks. Still no soft peaks. It's getting there. Alright, it made the little soft peaks in here. When you go like that, it leaves a little peak in there. So that's soft peak. Now we're going to take 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. One. 2. 3. And now we're going to mix that together. Yep, stiff peaks. Now, if you don't want to do this and mess with this, you can get a tub of Cool Whip. Well, you can get a couple tubs of Cool Whip. You'd probably need about 2 cups or 2 containers of Cool Whip. But you can substitute it so you don't have to do this. But I like doing this. Now I get to whip the crap out of this cream cheese. Yeah, I get to whip the hell out of it. Whip it like it stole something. cream cheese and butter mix. Now I'm going to add in a cup of powdered sugar. A whole cup. And then you beat that up. So I'm mixing in the cream cheese with the whipped topping. You just want to fold it in. I want a bigger spatula. When I film this, it takes all day to do. So we just keep folding this in. Linda, you got any candy? But no going to bed. Just keep mixing it in. Alright, so it's all folded in. Whew. Except share. Yeah, I remember the so I'm going to put half of this on top of the crust. Keep spreading this until it's nice and even. There, that should do it. Now we're going to place this in the freezer for 10 minutes. Alright, now we're going to take the strawberries and put over top. Probably could have used a little bit more strawberries, but oh well. It's still going to be yummy. Now we'll put this back in the freezer for another 10 minutes. Alright, so I put the rest of the topping on top, and I don't have any strawberries left to decorate the top of it, but I have the cookie crumble, and they want you to spread on top. You really need to probably have 3 containers of strawberry to make this and to decorate. I only had 2. Alright. Oops. Alright. Now we'll put this back in the freezer. All right, look at this. Looky, looky. Don't that look yummy? I think so. All right, I just pulled the dessert out and I'm gonna cut it up. Let's see. We let it sit for a couple days. Oh, look at that right there. You can see the strawberries. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Like a rhinestone cowboy.
Go ahead, try it, baby. See what you think.
It cuts really nicely and smoothly.
Is it cold and refreshing tasting?
Man, that's instant. That's instant good tasting.
I know. I licked the knife and I got it and it was like, wow. Very good, huh? Would you recommend this? Oh, do I even have to ask? I'm sorry.
I recommend it. Do I share it though?
No. Don't touch yours though.
Yeah, I'll share it. I'll share it with people because that's the right thing to do. I'll share it with people.
All right, can I have a bite of yours?
Huh?
Can I have a bite of yours?
Yeah. Are we filming?
Yeah.
Of course you can have some.
Okay, I'm not filming now.
Get your own.
See, I knew you'd be like that.
Own.
Obi, why are you over here sniffing? You sniffing at mine? That's mine. Excuse the house, it's a mess. We didn't put stuff away yet.
He was licking his lips.
Dad's not sharing with you. He says it's got that white stuff on top. He likes that white stuff on top. There he goes. All right, so now I'll go ahead and get me a bite and try it.
How come your piece look better than mine?
Don't even.
You had more.
Yours is bigger than mine.
Girl, please.
Boy, please.
You got more strawberries.
That strawberry, but the whipped topping with the cream cheese in it.
This is so good.
And the cookie crust.
Good Lord.
Okay, Marianne, if you're watching this video, you should be eating some by now.
You share some?
I'm putting some aside for her.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Yeah, this is really tasty though. So you guys have to try it, make it. Let me know what you think. Comment down below if this is something you'll try. All right, guys, we're gonna go and finish eating. So I'll see you later. Love you. Thanks for being here. Bye.
Bye.